Hi and welcome back. So three different tags we will be discussing here now. So quoted text, that is one. This is block quote. So this is text 2 and this is finally comment. Comment is nothing but some lines of text that is not related to HTML or any programming language. That is just a simple raw text that can be understood by developer or user. So comment is used in a place where code is complex. For example, if I have a 10 complex lines of code, I will give a comment here. This lines of code is used for this kind of concept. So when a new developer comes in and takes this code and reads, first he can read the comment and understand the overall concept, and then he can go through the inner code. So the comment will not be parsed or compiled by the browser, and it will not be displayed in the browser also. So for the quoted text, q tag, block quote. See, this is the output. So quoted text, you can just see it minutely. I'm going to select the first line, entire first line. You can see that this double quote will not be selected. Hope it is visible. Only the text is selected because it is already a type of quote. A quote default display defined by HTML, and this is block quote. And the comment it will not be displayed here, but when you select inspect element, you can see the comment here in the source page. So this will not be displayed and it will not be passed or compiled by the browser. It is only for human readable metadata, something like that. Hope this video is useful. You can in case any queries, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.